Oh. Man, I need some to drink. We got beer. We got beer. We got weed. We got weed. We got dope. We got dope. Oh, man. God damn. Yo. I like this motherfucking beat, bruh. I'm beating her in that sheet, bruh. Goddamn it, I'm back. I came back just like snapback. I'm back like some snapback. Goddamn, where that black went at. I'm back like some fucking snapback. I'm back like a fucking snapback. Here go this bitch like her. Where's my black? Yo. I'm back like fucking snapback. Bring that back, rack back in a backpack. 100 racks and knapsacks, a gun sack. God damn it, homeboy, man, the black Mac. Hey, beat you with the baseball bat and all black. Fuck around, you be dead when you stand. It's like that. Click clack, throw that pistol in my hand, bitch. Nigga, right back, lean back like Fat Joe. Cook crack like the 80s. I'm rolling through this bitch in that white Mercedes. I'm killing bitch niggas and y'all coughing up no damn baby. Rolling, I'm choking and smoking them doty niggas. So fuck you niggas, you be dead. If ever beaming through your head, motherfucker don't know. Nigga, slow your roll. Oh, back, I'm like that. Cook crack in the 80s, nigga, get the snap back. I'm back. She said she was a vampire. True story, she tryna fit this. She's a liar. Groupie, a groupie. What would they do this just to be a fucking groupie to me? You, them, or him. They lie, steal, cheat for you. Kill, worship the idols that put it from them, cause they loyalty now, fake for real, yeah, but they not in to be it. But oh shit, my brain fucking spit. I lost it real quick. Oh, I'm gaining it back real quick. I'm like an old person that get motherfucking diabetes and oh shit, my brain shitting on my brain. How shit, I shitted in my brain, then it came to my mouth. I'm eating my own brain shit, nigga. It's like, oh fuck you, kill me, please, somebody. I'm looking at her face, I'm fucking up as I stir her eyes. Surprise, then I close my own eyes, then I'm ready to rap again. Lullaby, 4-5, it's in my hand, motherfucker, walking dead man. Uncle Sam, fuck you. All you niggas, fuck you. Niggas in New Albany that hate on me and blood got fuck you. Mirror, mirror on the motherfucking wall. Who's the greatest of realness of them all? Blood God, Jesse James, blood God. Fuck around with me, nigga, watch me go real hard, retard. Oh shit, what nigga will do to be a groupie? Fuck around, nigga, fuck around, they oh shit, that shit don't fucking rhyme. I can't find that it rhymes with motherfucking groupie ass nigga, huh? You don't got no flows, nigga, huh? You don't gotta make no beats, you don't got nothing, you ain't fucking hoes up in the sheet. You ain't even rolling through these goddamn sluggish streets. You ain't even doing that, you ain't pushing shit, you ain't seen that shit. You ain't doing the goddamn thing, you ain't need the money, you ain't generating. Niggas, you ain't doing shit, you ain't shooting niggas, you ain't rhyming niggas. Fuck all that nigga, but you talking about you a groupie king. What the fuck is a groupie king? That means the nigga that said he did this, robbed the shot, that killed that nigga. But he ain't got no record, ain't did no time, nigga. Then he talking about he rapping, but he selling other niggas' flows. But you can't go to the studio and kill the booth. Nigga, choose your motherfucking fate. You can either go by the window or you can go down the stairs. I'll erase your face, nigga, if you can do that. I'ma erase you like a marker, like an eraser. Got me the eraser, like the movie on a Schwarzenegger. Bitch, that's a true story. Too many group phones. I can erase this flow, but I might keep it just to use it though. Ha! This shit might come out cold, but I'm still on this bitch. I'm off the meth, so I'm froze. remix, G-Mix, DJ, 444 is in the building. G-Mix, watch me, dog. Watch me, dog. I'm riding through the Albany, part 2, dog. Riding through the Albany, riding through my Albany. I parked the car under them tarp me in the garage, dog. Jump at the whip, dog. Jump at the whip, dog. Yeah, I jumped at the whip, dog. Walk in the house, man. I ran in the house, man. I'm switching the lane. I got chased through the Albany, dog. Then I'm back in the city. Murder City, Murder City. Out that nitty gritty, Murder City. Back then, I can't even fuck with me. Nigga, y'all can't even see me. Nigga, I disappear on the lap like I was a motherfucking genie. I asked for 3 wishes and I got them. My prayer for Satan. Motherfuckers be hating. Nigga, we perpetrating. I'ma regulate you niggas, you niggas up on a trip. Ain't no coming back from that, nigga. Hit you with that. Nigga, take that. Can you feel this? Can you feel that? Nigga, don't want that. I'm posted up in the very back. I got that pack. I got my ass focused on the prize. I'm climbing up the ladder. Nigga, I burnt the money tree up. Buried in Savannah. Nigga, buried treasure. You wanna have shit in the ghetto? Wanna take your young niggas under? Be so cold, be so cold, be so cold. Goddamn, don't be so cold. Just you niggas can't be touched. Then y'all don't wanna be held at hold. But when you're down on the street, your mama grab you up and hold you, cause you dead. Nigga, I'm up like Folgers, nigga. What you wanna do, my nigga? I just got back to this dead, did it, penis, that. Ah, shit. Up my gun, nigga, got to fall out. I feel like I'm my shit about to fall off. Left at that. 9 million ways to die, bit. I'm lost for words. I try to do the part 2 of Riding Through the Albany in that fishbowl. Chevy thing, yeah, that bitch is clean. Triple beam, goddamn, I did that. Broke that fed of me. Straight over, nigga. Ain't no running, taking over, nigga. Straight from the Madison, like, no, he's smoking to get niggas like motherfucker, do it. Running. From the law, nigga, my hot boy, as they say. Welcome on, hey, it's Sunday. No alcohol today. Gotta be right there in this food, but it's not steak. I get some smoke, dope, and some dope, yo. And that snap back, man, goddamn. With the snap back, push the tape back. I guess now I'ma light this shit. Hold on for a second.